Hi, it's Hardware and today I'll show you how to set up Motorola Razr 70. So first, what do we have here? We have the language and the vision settings. Then, after you select that, hit Start. You can set up using another advice to copy settings, accounts and more from another phone or tablet, but I will be setting up by itself. Then connect to a Wi-Fi. Also, you can skip that, but I will connect. Okay, now it's getting ready for the next steps. We have the security and privacy. So here are a couple of options. Read them and select whatever you want, then accept and continue. It's looking for updates and once again getting ready for next steps. Now it's checking network info. And then we need to select who are we setting this phone up for. So you can set up for yourself or your child. I will be using it for myself. Then verify pattern. Your phone was reset to factory settings. To use this phone, enter your previous pattern. But also, if you're setting up the phone for the first time, here will be to set up a new password or pattern. Now sign in to your Google account. Then hit Next, Agree, getting account information. Now you can connect to mobile network by setting up a SIM card or eSIM, but I will skip that for now. Skip. Also, you can add the SIM later on. Now set up a PIN and re-enter it. PIN set. You can set up here the fingerprint. I will skip that. Now also you can once again copy apps and data from previous phone, but I will do it later. We have the Google services. Once again, read here the options, select whichever you want and accept. Then we have the backup the device. You can select to not backup or turn the backup on. I will be turning it on. Now choose your browser and the search engine. Select a browser, select a search engine. Now we can continue the setup or leave and get a reminder. I will continue. Let's contact contacts nearby find and share with you. You can agree or disagree. Meet the Gemini personal AI assistant. Go hands-free with Hey Google. So turn on. Now pay faster and more securely. Use this device to tap in to pay in stores or for payments online. Now it's checking for cards. We can select a card. I will for now skip that. Review additional apps. Stay up to date. Join the millions of Motorola fans. You can write here join the Motorola group, but I will skip that. You can allow the push notifications. I also screen that. Screen protector alert. Please do not remove the pre-installed screen protector or use a third-party screen protector. Doing so will remove a layer of protection and void the device warranty. Got it? Protect your Razr. Here we have how to care for the device. Now select a navigation style. I will be using gestures. Now select a theme. You can set up the parental control. I will be skipping that for now and finish. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.